So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix GTA 5 stuck in safe mode loop, or how you can fix the issue when your GTA 5 crashes when you're changing some settings, or how you can reset all the setting that you have done inside the GTA 5 outside the game without opening the game because it's crashing for you because of direct text or something. Now in order to fix all that, all you need to do is to just simply go to your documents folder. Right there inside the document you need to go to this folder of Rockstar Games, then GTA 5. Inside here you'll see this file that is settings.xml. This file is nothing but just an XML view up markup of all the settings that you have made to your game. All you need to do is to just simply delete this file. Now once you do it, it will simply disable or reset all your settings and restore it to default. And once you do it, you'll definitely gonna solve all your GTA 5 settings related issues.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.